Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, here we are, day 2 in my van while my wood floors are getting done in the house. Well, I'm hungry. I ended up bringing out my fridge this morning after my first good night's sleep in the van, and I have my little handy dandy table stool that we take along every time we go on a camping adventure, and I'm gonna make myself something to eat. Awesome that I can be comfortable in a place. I don't have to go anywhere. I don't have to inconvenience anybody. Not to say that going to your family's house or your friend's house is an inconvenience, but sometimes, maybe they're not into company or whatever. Maybe they're busy, their day is busy or whatever. But like, I can be here. I can just stay here in my van, have everything I need. If I want to use the restroom, I go in the house and use the restroom, obviously. But this is awesome. I'm completely comfortable in the van. And just a little while ago, my husband did come back out, and he and I sat in here for a while and just chit-chatted, and he relaxed. I mean, there literally isn't a place to sit in the house unless you want to go in the basement. And we do have a little family room down there. But again, it smells. It's just, it's rough. So he came out and hung out with me for about a half hour in the van. That was so great. He just hopped back in for another meeting, and I made myself something to eat, and I'm gonna eat. So you guys, that's it. Just wanted to pop in and say, hey, day number 2 is going great in the Johnson Campground, aka my driveway. And yeah, beautiful day out. Anyhow, catch you guys soon.